Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And guys, I am here in the laundry and cleaning aisle. You know the store. You can tell by all the signs in the shelving. It is Dollar General. And we are going to do a cleaning haul. And we're going to get some deodorant. As long as everything is in stock. This is going to be an incredible haul. You don't need any paper coupons. Everything is going to be digital. So you're going to need your Dollar General app, you're going to need the coupons.com app, and you're going to need the Swag Bucks app. If you don't have those downloaded, no problem. You can go ahead and download them. You still have time to go ahead and add the deals to your account and take advantage of the deals. Now, before we jump into the deals, I am going to ask you guys for a favor. And I've been asking for this favor for a couple videos because I have not hit my goal, but I'm so close. So, if you are watching me on Facebook, I need you to go ahead and I need you to hit that follow button. I am trying to get to 6,100 followers on Facebook by the end of this month. But if you're watching me on YouTube, I need you to hit the subscription button and the bell right next to it. I am trying to get to 10,000 subscribers on YouTube by the end of this month. So I only have about 2 weeks to hit my goal, and I really appreciate it if you guys would help me hit my goal. So guys, let's jump right into the deals. I'm going to turn the camera around. And the first deal that we're going to do is going to be on some Clorox bleach. Now you can get the small bottles or you can get the larger bottles. I am going to get the smaller bottles because that's the cheapest route to go, and to me that's your best bang for your buck. So I'm going to grab 2 of these smaller bottles. They are 43 ounces and they are $4 a piece. Now when you scan them into your app, you see that they're $4 and there are no coupons that attach to them, but it's okay. We don't need a coupon because I'm going to put this up on your screen now as I put these in my cart. So we're going to pay $8 at the register, but then we're going to submit our receipt to Swag Bucks. Swag Bucks is going to give us 600 points for buying 2, and that 600 points equals out to $6. So we're going to pay $8 at the register. We're going to get there I go messing up. We're going to pay $8 at the register, but we're going to get $6 back from Swag Bucks. So that means we're going to have $2 out of pocket for these 2 bleaches, which means they're going to cost us $1 a piece. Guys, I think that's an excellent deal, so we're going to take advantage of that deal, and we're going to move on to our next deal. And okay guys, so our next deal that we're going to be doing is on some Lysol wipes, and the Lysol wipes are $5.75. okay, and please pay attention because you don't want to get the small ones like this that only have the 35 count. You have to get 75 count or more in order to make this deal work. Now when you scan in the Lysol wipes into the Dollar General app, the coupons that we're going to use do attach to the 35 count or more, but we're also going to submit our receipt to Shopkick. In the Shopkick deal, you have to get 75 count or more, so that's why we're going to go with the 75 or more count. So you can get these, which are the wipes. Those are $5.75, or you can get these Lysol wipes in the jar, which again are $5.75. But I'm going to go with actually these, the Lysol in the blue and white, they're actually $6, but the ones in the pack like this are $5.75. So you have to determine what you want your out of pocket to be, what you think the best bang for your buck's going to be. To me, mine is going to be these, so I'm going to grab 2 of these. Okay, so they're going to be $5.75 a piece, and you see when I scan them into the app, they come $5.75. But look, we have 2 different digital coupons that attach, so you get $1.50 off of 2. Now, if you have used both of these digital coupons already, you can also submit your receipt to coupons.com because this same coupon is on coupons.com. Okay, so you use one or the other. So I'm going to get these two, and I'm going to use one of these digital coupons out of the DG app. So that means I'm going to get $5.50 off at the register. So I'm going to pay $11. Excuse me. They're $5.75. I'm thinking they're $5.50. So I'm going to pay $11.50. Okay, and then I'm going to do $1.50 off. So that's going to come down to $10 that I'm going to pay at the register. But then I'm going to submit my receipt to Swagsbucks, and I'm going to get $6 off. Okay, so then that means I'm going to pay $4 for these Lysol wipes, which means that's going to come out to $2 a piece. That is way less than 50% off, half off a pack. So I think that's a great deal. So I'm going to go ahead and get those, throw them in the cart, and we're going to move on to our next deal, which is going to be in the deodorant aisle. So I'm just making my way over to the deodorant aisle so that we can get that deal done. And then we'll head up to the register. We'll see what our total is. And we'll head to the car. In the car, I will go over my receipt. Show you guys that I submitted my receipt to Swagbucks. And we'll see what our grand out of pocket is. Alrighty, so okay guys, so the next deal we're going to do is going to be on the Old Spice deodorant, and I need you guys to really pay close attention to this deal, because if you do it a certain way, it will not work. Okay, so we're going to grab 3 Old Spice deodorants, okay? Now, when you go into your store, you'll see they have the double packs for $7.75. They have the ones for $4.50. They have the $6 ones, the $6.25 ones. They have the sprays that are $7. They have the double packs for $11. So it's a whole bunch that you could choose from, okay? Do not get the ones for $4.50 because they may attach to the Ibotta rebate, but they will not attach to the digital coupons that we're going to use, okay? So do not get those. You can get any other ones. The ones that are $7.50, the ones that are $6, the ones that are $6.25, the ones that are $7, the ones that are $11. You can get any of those. The ones that are $8. They just have to be $6 and above, okay? So I'm going to get the $6 ones. I'm going to grab 3 different ones, okay? But it's totally up to you how you want to do it. But I'm going to grab 3 different $6 ones. Now, you don't have to get 6. You can get 1 or you can get 2. Okay, but you can get 1, you can get 2, you can get 3. Totally up to you. I'm going to maximize this deal, so that's why I'm getting 3. When you scan these into the DG app, you will see that you have 2 different digital coupons. One is a $3 digital coupon that has the spray on it, but it does work on the other one, the roll-on or whatever you want to call it. And then you have a $5 off too that can work on deodorant or body wash. So you see, that's why I'm getting 3, because I'm going to use the $3 off on one of them, and I'm going to use the $5 off on 2. So this is $18 worth of deodorant, right? We're going to get $8 off at the register. That's going to bring our total down to $10, okay? But we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta. And my phone just went out. 1 second. We're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta. Why does this keep going out like this? 1 second, guys. Okay, my phone had an attitude, so we had to shut it down and bring it back up. So we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta. You can see that Ibotta is going to give you $2 back for each deodorant that you get. And you can do it up to, you could purchase up to 5. Now, it also says this qualifies for a bonus. But we're not going to be able to get the bonus because you have to buy 3 different, you have to buy 3 Old Spice products, but they have to be, so if I bought the deodorant, I would have to do them on 3 different receipts, which wouldn't work out for me because the one coupon says that I need 2 at one time. So if you come back later and you buy like some of the body wash, you'll be able to take advantage of that. So We're not going to get the bonus this time, but we may get it later because I believe we're going to get some of the body wash at another time. But we're just going to get the deodorant today, okay? So remember, we're going to pay $10 at the register. We're going to get back $6 back from Ibotta because we're buying 3. So that means that we're going to pay $4 for each one of these for the total of 3 deodorants. Guys, I'd say that's pretty good because that's like $1.33 for each one of these deodorants. So that means basically, you know, one costs $6. So you're paying less than 75% for these deodorants. Okay, you're getting these like 75% off. Pretty good deal. So let's review everything that we're going to get today. So we're going to get the 2 Lysol wipes. We're going to get the 2 bottles. So the 2 Lysol wipes, the 2 bottles of Clorox, and then the 3 deodorants. So I'm going to head up to the register and then I'll see you back in the car with our grand total. Okay guys, remember I told you never give up on clearance and to always check your store every time you go in because you just never know when something's going to pop up. These Minion pens, I do not recall them being here. This is my first time ever seeing them, but that's okay. But we're going to get them. So we know that Blue Dot is 90% off. So we're going to go ahead and grab these and let me show you when you scan them. So the price says $3, but they come up 30 cents. These are great stocking stuffers or prizes and things to give to the kids. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to take this whole box. And you know what? I'm going to save those for some other things. Okay, guys. So back to school hardware is also 90% off. But make sure that you scan it because what you may think is back to school hardware that should be 90% off, it may not be. So just make sure you scan everything. And I'm going to give you an example. So these Papermate pens, there's 2 different varieties of these. It's this 6-pack and then I think the other ones are 5 in a pack. But make sure you scan them. These, the ones that I have here, are 90% off. These are going to come down to 50 cents. I can't show you the pack that doesn't come down to 50% because my store doesn't come down 90% off because my store doesn't have them. But I am going to give you the UPC so you know exactly which ones to look for. But again, like I said, just make sure that you scan. Okay, and let me show you that it does scan at 90% off. So you can see they come up 50 cents. So just make sure you scan everything that you think is back to school, including the backpacks. Okay guys, so since we grabbed a couple more things, that's going to change our out of pocket as well as change what we're getting. So we're getting the Minion pens, we're still getting the 2 Clorox, the 2 things of Lysol wipes, the 3 deodorants, and the pack of Papermate pens. Okay family, so I'm back in the car and I made a huge mistake. I don't know why I keep getting mixed up on these wipes between the Clorox wipes and the Lysol wipes. So for the deal, you have to get the Clorox wipes. So on my receipt, I'm going to show you, I did return the Lysol wipes and I got the Clorox wipes. Let me turn my camera around. So you have to get these Clorox wipes. The deal is very specific. You have to get 75 count or more, but not only that, it has to be the crisp linen. So I'm going to show you on the swag box. See, it says Clorox disinfecting wipes, crisp linen, 75 count. You have to get those. If you get anything else, it will not work. So everything I was saying in that video about those other ones, just ignore it because it is Clorox wipes, not Lysol wipes, okay? All right, so let's go over my receipt so that I can verify for you everything went fine. So there you see, those are all those Minion pens for 30 cents. There's the Papermate pens for 50 cents. Then there are the 3 Old Spice deodorants for $6 each, the Lysol wipes, which I took back, and the 2 Clorox bleaches for $4. There's my $3 Old Spice coupon that came off for 1, and then the $5 coupon that came off for buying 2. And then, of course, they gave me the $1.50 off because this isn't the receipt where I took them back. Okay, and let me show you. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I want to show you that I did get back my $6 because remember, you get $2 back for each one of the deodorants that you purchase. So let me verify that for you. Okay, so there's the $6 back from Ibotta. See, quantity 3. And I just want to show you, see, for the bonus, it says you're 1 step closer to the Old Spice bonus. And when I click on it, see, it has 1 check mark because I bought 3 different deodorants, but deodorant is 1 rebate. So there you see, look. So I would have had to have more of these on my receipt. Okay, so you have to buy, it says redeem 3 unique Old Spice offers. So I can do it again. Okay, I just have to buy something else on here. So now here you see I submitted my receipt to Swagbucks, and you see I got the 600 points, which is $6 back for the Clorox wipes, and then the 600 points, which is $6 back for the Clorox bleach. So that was a total of $12 that I got back for the wipes and the bleach. So guys, I don't want to confuse anyone and make the math too complicated, but if you say that my total was like, say like $30 and like 50 cents, okay? I'm not doing the exact math. I'm doing surrounding. So $30.50. I got back $12 from Swagbucks and $6 back from Ibotta. So that's $18. If you take $18 from the $30.50, then my out of pocket was like $12.50. I'm absolutely fine with that, especially being that each one of the deodorants were $6. So that's like buying 2 deodorants and getting 2 bleaches, 2 Clorox wipes, and another deodorant, and all those Minion pens and the Paper Mate pens for free. So I think it's a good deal. So guys, let me know what you plan on doing. Let me know if you are going to do any of the deals. Don't forget to download your apps. And until the next time, keep on saving.